Imagine finding this forgotten railway and deciding to build a giant wooden steam train from scratch. The design is enormous, but the first piece of this impossible train starts with a single piece of wood. This massive piece of hardwood will become the foundation of a train, unlike anything this railway has ever seen. The wheels must be perfectly balanced, because they will carry the entire wooden giant down the old railway. The frame is finally rising, and this forgotten railway is about to witness something extraordinary. Now the face of the wooden steam train begins to appear, and its size is becoming unbelievable. These enormous wheels will carry the entire train, so every connection has to be perfect. Inside this cabin, one craftsman will soon guide the wooden giant on its first journey. The smallest details are taking the longest, but they are what will make this wooden locomotive unforgettable. A locomotive this grand needs passenger coaches worthy of the journey. This coach will turn a simple railway journey into a warm and unforgettable wooden experience. One coach becomes two, and the wooden train is finally beginning to look like a real journey. The train is almost ready, but the forgotten railway must be brought back to life first. One final detail gives this wooden giant the unmistakable character of a classic steam train. Now the rough timber is becoming a polished masterpiece, ready for its first journey. Tonight, the forgotten station finally shines again, beside the train that will bring it back to life. Everything is ready now, but there is one question left. Will this wooden giant actually move? After months of work, the wheels are finally turning, and the forgotten railway is moving again. The first journey has begun, and every turn of these wooden wheels brings the old railway back to life. Now the wooden giant reaches the most breathtaking part of its first journey, crossing a bridge above the mountain river.